Freshwater sprays, dirty water collects separately, and your carpet never gets touched. Dreamy just built the robot vacuum that makes every other roller mop look like a mop bucket on wheels. So the headline feature here is what Dreamy calls Aqua Roll Mopping, and this is genuinely different from what we've seen before. Instead of soaking a pad and pushing it around until the water is completely disgusting, this thing works in 3 continuous steps. Fresh water gets sprayed directly onto the roller mop in real time using a 12 nozzle system. The roller then spins fast under pressure to actually scrub your floor. And then the dirty water gets squeezed out and collected separately so it never goes back onto your floor. This is an internal scraper and a small dirty water box which allows real-time dirty water collection and continuously makes room for fresh water. This is a full freshwater loop every single pass. That matters a lot in a home with kids or pets because cross-contamination is a real concern and this system eliminates it completely. Now, here is the feature that genuinely deserves a double take. You are getting something called Auto Seal Roller Guard, and this is a world's first. The problem with almost every roller mop robot is that when it rolls onto your carpet or rug, that wet roller gets right into the fibers and you end up with a damp, smelly carpet. The Auto Seal Roller Guard detects when it's approaching carpet and completely seals the roller mop so that zero moisture transfers to your rugs. It then reopens automatically when it returns to hard flooring and resumes mopping like nothing happened. This is the kind of intelligent wet-dry separation that honestly should have existed years ago. Let's talk suction because 30,000 pascals of Vormax suction is industry leading right now. Dreamy is claiming a 100% large particle pickup, which is without a doubt some top tier vacuuming performance. Hair pickup is something every pet owner obsesses over, and the Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush is the reason this thing claims a 99% hair removal rate. It uses a combination of TPU rubber and bristle rubber, and the air duct design essentially flings and pulls hair through without wrapping around the brush. That means less maintenance time digging hair out of your roller. The side brush also auto extends to get into corners and along walls, so you actually get full coverage instead of those frustrating little strips of dirt that get left behind near the baseboards. Gone. When the Aqua10 Roller AE heads home to its power dock, that is where things get really thorough. The mop self-cleaning uses water heated to 100 degrees Celsius, which is 212 Fahrenheit. Full boiling point to blast grease and odors out of the roller. After washing the dock, blows hot air at 65 degrees Celsius, which is 149 degrees Fahrenheit, through the fibers to dry them out, which is critical for preventing that mildew smell you get with robots that just leave the wet mop sitting there. The dock also auto-empties the dustbin for up to 100 days and can automatically refill both the clean water box and the cleaning solution, so your involvement is genuinely minimal. Now, one more thing worth calling out is the obstacle clearing capability. The Easy Leap system with claw-shaped auxiliary wheels can handle double layered steps up to 4 centimeters high or 1.57 inches. Door tracks, thresholds, transitions between rooms. None of that stops this robot from getting where it needs to go. Navigation runs on dual laser 3-dimensional structured light, which builds accurate maps, avoids obstacles, and keeps the cleaning efficient and intelligent. You can even set it up to clean carpets first before wet mopping begins, program it to avoid tasseled rugs, or control the whole thing through Alexa, Siri, or Google Home, thanks to Matter protocol support. Look, at this price point, the Aqua10 Roller AE is bringing features that were reserved for premium tier machines just a year ago. The fresh water mopping system alone sets it apart, and the Auto Seal Roller Guard is something worth having. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Drop a comment letting me know what feature impressed you most, and subscribe if you are new in here because we talk about this stuff all of the time, and I will see you in the next one.